Hi everybody! Last winter I chopped a lot of wood here in the property and I have a lot of spare wood laying around now. So it's time for some wood projects. Today I will make a side table out of a wood log, but just not the normal side table, one with a wireless phone charger inside. Let's see if it works out. The first thing I will do is remove the skin. After this step I did let the wood dry for a few months and then it should look something like this. With the use of some tools I will try to flatten out the top. Okay, the top is flat, kind of. Then on Amazon I bought this UTech wireless charger for phones. They're quite cheap. I will leave a link in the description below. So my plan is to remove a layer of wood, then insert this one into the log and then apply the thin layer of wood again and then hope that it's built in and still charging. Let's try. Okay, now first we'll try to trim off a little layer here. Now for the cable to go down I have to make a hole. I found this thing in the garage. I hope it will work to make a hole all the way to the bottom. Alright, that's done. The hole went all the way through to the other side, as you can see. So let's install the charger. Okay, so the cable through the wood. I put some tape to protect the port. It's there. Alright, so I got the cable through it. Now I get the charger in place. And I will glue back the top. Alright, here we go. Let's see if it's dry. What I will do now is send the top layer down as thin as possible, so the charger will charge the phone and the wood is not too thick so the phone can reach the charger. Later I will fill those cracks and sand down the sides so it will look better.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ay, ay. So that didn't work out quite well. Now I made a new piece of wood, a new slice. This time the wood is more wet and I will keep it wet all the time when sanding it down. So hopefully it won't crack again. Let's try it again. What I will do now is fill up some cracks, sand down the whole thing and put some coating on it. And then it's ready to use. If you are enjoying this video, please give me a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.